Hi guys, so continuing my Ask Ali series, I'm gonna leave the link on this form down below, and if you fill in this form, you ask me a question, I might take this question and make the video about this separately. Cami is asking, hi Ali, do you have any tips for people with a flat face? Thank you. Actually, many Asian women, they have that flat face. To me, that is not a problem, and actually I can tell you that many people are trying to make their face flat, and this is why so many women are trying to make those injections in their faces, because all those little shadows and bumps and lines, something pronounced, and they want to make it more flat. So when you're making something more flat, it is reflecting light more evenly, and your skin and your face just in general, it just reflects light more evenly, and it has the illusion of having the same color all over your face, so it looks very tight. It gives an illusion of having pretty tight face. And when these kind of women, they get older, their face is more tight visually. So to me, that is an amazing feature. But I know there are some women who want to add some shadows on their faces just to make it look less flat. So all that you can do is just to follow all those contouring techniques. You're making those stripes down their nose here, making that lighter line here on the center of the nose and darker lines on the sides of the nose, and making those darker shadows under the cheekbones just to make it more pronounced, and lighter maybe here on the chin, lighter here under your eyes, lighter here on the cheekbones, lighter here in the center of your forehead, slightly darker here on the sides of your forehead if you want that, and then a lot of darker under the chin. But in this case, you're just repeating your natural lines of your face. You don't create anything extra. You're just actually doing every pronounced facial feature slightly lighter, and every feature that you want to make less, then you're applying some darker powder. This is basically everything about it. Sometimes you can go out and do like that, but what I think is just flat faces. Has always been my dream to have more flat face, and I'm actually trying to reach that flat face myself when I'm doing my makeup. I love flat faces, so if I were you, I would just enjoy and be very thankful for that kind of face, and I would not even contour that. I will just, foundational powder, and you're just good to go. And if your skin is good, you don't even need foundational powder. You're just good to go like that. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe on my Pinterest for 13 boards as an inspiration for the body types. Also, you can subscribe on my Instagram. All the links I'm gonna leave down below. Also, you can become my sponsor or subscribe on my Patreon for some exclusive videos, some early access to these videos, and just if you want to support me and my channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.